Like a nodule there? Yeah. You know what I might get you to do, Dan, is to go onto your side. Man. That's as hard as I can go. Try. And so I want to get where that outer little toe band kind of comes around the ankle here a bit more. And into here. So most of the time I wouldn't use this tool, but he's just needs a little bit of something. See, this is definitely going to be related to his hip tension.
And his surgery.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the surgery and the plate and stuff that you've got in your leg.
Yeah.
He's got all the compensation that the muscles are doing and all that sort of stuff.
Excuse me a second. You might feel like a bit of minor irritation or soreness after, but it's
like
nothing.
my toes.
Yeah. Okay, so I just want to see what's still left. I feel like I actually made really good progress. But I want to see if there's still something holding in that outer little toe. I want to get that moisture off. I'm going to come back to here now. I guess I can't quite get that pressure that way, so I'm going to hold it differently. Almost want to.
Might need one of them with a knob on the end.
Yeah, like exactly. There, I think that's the spot. I'm just gonna let him groan into that. And then I'm gonna caress it this way. Only on this toe?
No, both the little toes.
Both the little toes, yeah.
So that one's probably more acupressure than the other.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of like when I learned about this, is like the acupuncturist got blood out of my toe too.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, and he was like, oh, it's got too much energy in it, and the bleeding
that's
actually
right,
let
yeah,
go
you
of
said
the...
that before. Oh, so you think
They call it
maybe-
bleeding. He called it bleeding the point.
Yeah, maybe it's a...
Good thing, yeah.
Yeah, maybe it's just part of another release, maybe?
Yep, yep. I don't, I mean, it's just a
That's
little
just
bit of blood, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's exactly.
I'm not too worried about it, but
Yeah. It's not like it's gushing or anything.
no, it's just a little, it's something with his skin is like,
Yeah, it's very So, like an old person's skin.
Yeah, that's right. Like I've massaged some old people's ears and they bled. You know, because they get dry and
Yeah,
they get
and
really
very thin.
and very thin. Yeah, and I'm like, oh shit, I was hardly even working them and
Yeah,
they're
that's
bleeding.
right,
You know.
Yeah. Well, they just bash themselves in.
Mother had testing done for erythemas.
What's that?
My mum had some testing done for erythemas,
Yeah.
which is a connective tissue disorder,
Yeah.
and it come back that she didn't have that, but there was something along them lines.
Ah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's why I got the transparent skin
Yep.
compared to a lot of people.
Mm.
And my eldest son's got the same sort of skin.
Well, there you go. That explains
Mm-hmm.
it. I like that.
It just makes me a bit hesitant. I don't want to work there when it's, you know. But we got a lot out anyway. But this is now really letting go.
To see that.
Yeah.
And it looks so much softer.
So much softer. So
It was tight as.
it was so tight. Yeah.
Yeah. He's not even reacting now.
Yeah. I'll still stretch that foot. And I still want to get into this point. I almost like want to. I just can't get that strength. So
Can you
I'm
maybe
thinking
push
about.
from one side and push from the other with another tool?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Maybe these two. Still want to slide. Yeah, that's better. Can you feel that at all, Dan?
It's like a little spot welder technique.
Yeah. I could do a dual slide up through there as well, or just I'll just continue. I mean, he liked it so much through here as
He
well.
loved it. He really enjoyed
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Don't hold it in. Don't hold it in.
Let it go.
Don't hold it in.
Yeah,
Let it out. You're wriggling around like it wants to come out, but
Yeah.
you're holding it in.
yeah. Man.
You're going to have the sorest hands.
Yeah, I know. My hands don't get this kind of, you know.
You're going to have the sorest hands tonight.
Yeah. You guys will have to work on my hands later, I think. That's starting to let go now.
It looks a lot more supple.
Still tight in here. Timu towels.
Absolutely. They don't normally use tools there?
No, occasionally I do around here because it's so yeah, and it's kind of hard for me to get my fingers in here. But I wouldn't normally. Saves my
I was looking with my eyes and the camera down here.
Oh. Yeah. But yeah, I think it's held just in here now. What's that?
Steel cap boots.
Oh yeah.
Does that tickle, does it? Oh my gosh. That is so hard. Ian's doing that so hard.
Mm-hmm.
I would have been crying like a girl.
Yeah. You wouldn't have let me.
Not a chance.
Yeah. But I don't think your body doesn't need this, you know. His body needs this.
No, that's clearly.
You know?
Clearly
Otherwise, it's just, he would go, so many people, he'd probably get a massage
back on the
from.
bed, though.
Yeah. Do you mind just kind of...
Moving across onto the bed?
Moving over there a bit, yeah. We'll get this leg up a little bit. I need non-sliding socks, hold on. So I want to, because he needs such deep pressure, I'm going to get his hip up as high as possible and get him to breathe in. And then just... Sliding. That's about as hard as I can go, Dan, sorry.
That was like your whole body weight.
So my whole body weight and all my strength.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, everything. That's it. I can do this. Could you feel that at all, Dan, or was that just a bit too light for you?
It's definitely freed it up.
It's freed it up, yeah. You can see he's not like dramatic, you know what I mean?
I'm over here having a bloody artist.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
He's like, yeah, I can feel it's freed it up.
I'm feeling it from here.
Yeah. I'm feeling it from here.
Yeah, you're having the whole workout.
Yeah.
It honestly looks like you're feeling it more than he is.
I am.
Like he's... Holy cow. Oh my goodness.
There's not many people I have to, you know what I mean?
Exert so much force on. That's the whole, isn't it the whole idea of this?
Nothing like a nice relaxing massage, hey Dan.
It's just blown my mind.
Someone taking a grease gun to all your joints.
Yeah. Whew. Is this where that rib popped out last time, or is it something going on in here?
Yeah, on the this arm,
Yeah.
if I straighten up for a sec. It runs down through I've got a vertebra that kicks one way, around there.
Oh, jeez.
You feel there's like the one that goes up to the top of my shoulder, one that goes down.
Oh, yeah. It curves radically just here.
Yeah, I sort of flew across the road when I was a kid on a skateboard and landed flat on that shoulder and just like numb for an hour.
Kim's just rolling her eyes.
My goodness.
Yeah, boys will be boys.
Bloody kids.
Big breath. Well, I feel like one side's loosened.
He looks deflated. It's good.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Well, that's one toe done.